Traverse is long overdue for a headlight restoration. The first step is to tape off the trim and the paint in order to protect those areas from damage during the sanding process. Sanding begins with a 320 grit sandpaper. This is to remove all the coating that's on the lens at the present time, and then we walk it back up with the finer grit. So go back up to 600, 800 and keep going until we smooth the lens out. And after that, we wipe down the lens with a alcohol or surface prep cleaner. That way there's no residue for the next step, which is the coating. So get all the tape off, wipe away any dust and get all that away from the lens so it's not caught up in the coating. The coating process uses a vapor method. So the chemical is heated up in the bottle container and exits via the nozzle, which is ran across the lens, as you can see. And as it heats up, the hotter it is, the better it flows, of course, and it just clears the lens. And after that point, you have brand new headlights.